Good morning. Welcome aboard.
Good morning, thank you.
How are you today?
I'm good, thanks.
Is the seat comfortable?
Yes, very comfortable, thanks.
Seatbelt fastened, miss?
Yes, it's fastened already.
First time flying, miss?
No, I fly often.
Where are you going?
I'm going to London.
Exciting trip, miss.
Yes, very exciting indeed.
Visited London before?
No, this is first.
You'll love it there.
I really hope so.
London is very beautiful.
I've heard that, yes.
Would you like juice?
Yes, please, orange juice.
Here is your juice.
Thank you very much.
Would you like water?
Yes, please, some water.
Still or sparkling water?
Still water, please.
Here is your water.
Thank you so much.
Anything else, miss?
Not now, thank you.
Just call us anytime.
Okay, I will, thanks.
How long is the flight?
About 9 hours, right?
Yes, 9 hours total.
That's quite a long time.
Would you like a blanket?
Yes, please, I'm cold.
Here's your blanket.
Thank you, it's warm.
Need a pillow too?
Yes, please, thank you.
Here's your pillow.
Perfect, thank you much.
Would you like headphones?
Yes, please, thank you.
For movies or music?
Movies, please, thank you.
Screen is in front.
Yes, I see it.
Many good movies available.
Great, I'll choose one.
Enjoy your movie, miss.
Thank you very much.
Need anything else now?
One more thing, please.
Go ahead, ask me. Where is the bathroom? At the back, miss.
Okay, thank you much.
One at front, too.
Good to know.
Thanks. Fasten belt when seated.
Yes, I always do.
Very good habit, miss.
Thank you, I know.
Meal service starts soon.
Oh, great, I'm hungry.
Chicken or pasta today? Pasta, please. Thank you. Good choice. Very tasty.
I love pasta, actually.
Any allergies to know?
No nuts, please, thanks.
Noted. I'll be careful.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Vegetarian option available too.
No, pasta is fine.
Bread with your meal, miss?
Yes, please, thank you.
Butter or plain bread?
With butter, please.
Dessert after meal, miss?
Yes, please. What's available?
Cake or fruit salad?
Fruit salad, please.
Thanks. Healthy choice, miss.
I try to eat healthy.
Coffee after meal, miss?
Yes, please. Black coffee.
Sugar with your coffee, miss?
No sugar, thank you.
Here is your coffee.
Thank you very much.
Hot enough, miss?
Yes, perfect. Thank you.
Feeling okay, miss?
Yes, I feel fine.
Any motion sickness, miss?
No, I'm fine, thanks.
Good, that's great news.
Yes, I travel often.
Turbulence may come soon.
Okay, I'll stay seated.
Please fasten your belt.
Yes, doing it now.
Thank you, miss.
No problem at all.
Turbulence is over now.
Oh, good, thank you.
You can move freely.
Great, I'll stretch now. Stretch your legs, miss. Yes, they feel stiff. Walk a little around. Good idea, thank you. Good for long flights. Yes, I know that. We land in 4 hours. Great, not too long. London time is different. Yes, 5 hours ahead. Adjust your watch, miss. Good reminder, thank you. Sleep a little now. Yes, I think so. Want eye mask, miss? Yes, please, thank you. Here is your mask. Perfect, thank you much. Sleep well, miss. Thank you, good night. Wake you for landing? Yes, please, wake me. Of course, I will. Thank you so much. Miss, we land soon. Oh, already? Thank you. Please sit down now. Yes, sitting down now. Fasten your seatbelt, miss. Done, it's fastened now. Put seat upright, please. Yes, doing it now. Tray table up, please. Yes, it's up now. Window shade up, please. Okay, done. Thank you. Almost there, miss. I'm so excited now. London is below us. Wow, it looks amazing. See the city lights? Yes, so beautiful below. Landing in 10 minutes. Okay, I'm ready now. Hope you enjoyed flight. Yes, very much, thanks. We land in London. Finally, I'm so happy. Welcome to London, miss. Thank you so much. Enjoy your London trip. I definitely will, thanks. Safe travels, miss. Thank you, same to you.